In a gilded room, a piano plays so sweet, a velvet melody hiding the dust on the street. Beethoven's ghost waltzes through the hall, while 1,000 souls are dying behind the stone wall. The air is heavy, thick with the scent of decay. In the name of the law, they take the light away. Oh, beautiful Andante, a symphony of lies, drowning out the hunger in the peasants' cries. Administrative chains holding a nation's breath, a revolution rising from the shadow of death. Is this the resurrection, or just a holy mask for the blood on the snow? Shall we ask? The general smiles, sipping his warm tea, while the iron bars lock the hearts of the free. But the Andante is changing, the rhythm grows loud, the storm is coming from the heart of the crowd.